Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common but frustrating issue, the Google Play purchase error. Whether you're trying to snag that new app or make an in-app purchase, this error can be a real roadblock. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some effective fixes. So let's get troubleshooting. First up, clearing the cache and data of the Google Play Store. This can often resolve the issue by removing any temporary files that might be causing the problem. Open your device's settings app, scroll down to apps and find Google Play Store. Tap on storage and then hit on clear cache. Remember, this will log you out, so you'll need to sign back in. Next, ensure your payment method is up to date. An expired card or incorrect billing information can often be the culprit. Go to the Google Play Store, then tap on your profile icon at the top right, select Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods. Here you can add, remove, or update your payment methods. Another potential fix is updating the Google Play Store itself. An outdated version can lead to all sorts of issues. Open the Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon, then go to Settings. Then tap on About and then Play Store version. If an update is available, it will download automatically. Sometimes the problem could be as simple as a poor connection. Ensure you've connected to stable Wi-Fi network or your mobile network is strong enough. And there you have it, 5 fixes for the Google Play purchase error. I hope one of these solutions gets you back to enjoying your purchases. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.